We all know the key to successful sales and lead generation requires eye-catching, impact-generating graphic designs which are going to impress our visitors and make them want to buy or opt in. And I'm sure I don't need to remind you that the success or failure of our blogs, websites and even social media accounts can all too often boil down to first impressions and delivering the right call to action at the right time. If you have a nice design, you engage your audience and gain new customers. If it's ugly, they simply bounce off to your competitor who has taken the effort to create profit-pulling, attention-grabbing designs. So we know we need great-looking designs to pull in those buyers. But how can you avoid the expense of graphic designers and take complete control of every graphic, image, button and header without paying for graphic design? Welcome to DesignIT, a unique range of light, fast and extremely productive desktop applications which have been put together to help you, from advanced to even the most novice of designer, develop fantastic designs in no time at all. Not only will DesignIT help you create fantastic designs, but they will also make your work online far more productive, helping speed up your image, website, blog and social media creations. And when I say suitable for the novices among us, I really do mean it. Check the images on this page. Even if you don't particularly like them, they should give you an idea of what you can do within literally minutes, as they were created by me, and I have no graphic or design skills whatsoever, and I certainly have never undergone any training. The best way to demonstrate what is available is to give you a brief demo of each tool, and with 12 tools available, this will be very brief, but should certainly be enough to convince you that these applications are going to become part of your daily life working online. In addition, all applications work on Windows PCs. To check if they will work on a Mac, please check the brief descriptions below this video. First off is ImageCam. This is an extremely successful application for creating animated images. With many hundreds already sold as a standalone application, this simply had to be included. You can check the ImageCam description below, where you will find a link to a more comprehensive video if required. Next we have Color Chooser. Identify and pick colors literally anywhere on your PC. It's not restricted to web browsers, so the next time you want to match the color of Facebook or a color within a PDF, for example, you can grab an exact match. When it comes to screen capture, we have a super cool screen capture application, which also acts as a simple yet sophisticated image editor. Using the freehand screen capture, you can grab virtually any shaped image. Most of the screenshots on this page have been achieved using this unique application, even our header image. With DesignIT, you can also create fantastic animated and flashing call to action buttons such as buy now and click here to download, or specific instructions to ensure your visitors take action. Simply drag and drop any number of images into the application, click the button, and within milliseconds your animated image is ready to take action. We have a powerful yet simple application to resize your images and convert to another file type in one simple action. Resize and convert from and to GIFs, JPEGs, PNGs, TIFFs and bitmaps. Technically speaking, you should not convert images just by changing the file ending. So here's a great desktop application which is simple to use and a fast way to correctly convert and resize your images. Need to add a watermark to multiple images? The Watermark It application is a super easy to use application which adds watermarks anywhere on the image with option of text or image watermarks. Designed primarily for adding watermarks to multiple images, but also works great for single images as well. How about taking a screenshot at a set time and date in the future and even time-lapse these at set intervals automatically for multiple windows? Welcome to Auto Screen Capture. Originally programmed for taking auto screenshots of our playing videos, this amazing application can schedule to take multiple sets of automated screenshots. Not only will it automate the screenshot taking process, but it will also take screenshots from up to 4 open windows. For example, you could take a screenshot of a playing video in one and your own work taking place within another window, 100% on autopilot. How about creating countdown timers as an image which actually count down and will even detect the time zone you are viewing from and display this within the image? Countdown timers may not be anything new, but time split testing and the results have shown countdown timers to be just as effective as they have always been. So no changes there. But can you easily create a countdown timer in literally seconds as an image to be used across multiple web properties where scripts and plugins may not even exist? Even social media like Google+. How many times do you struggle to find the image size you need to fit the header or any space within your web pages? You no longer need to struggle, as our easy-to-use desktop ruler will quickly give you a pixel-accurate size for both your horizontal and vertical measurements. The classics. This is our online service we have delivered for at least the last 5 or 6 years, but time has not diminished the effectiveness of these timeless classics. This is hosted for you, so all you do is tick the box according to whether you want to create a headline graphic, a buy now button, a belcher button, or a guarantee of service or refund graphic. If you've been editing images for a while now, you're likely to be familiar with GIMP. However, for our customers who have yet to discover this valuable tool, we've included GIMP as part of the available resources. Dare I say, this comprehensive image editor has been created to rival Photoshop. Perhaps I'm pushing it a bit by saying this, but if you don't have the learning capacity or the hefty budget, then GIMP is for you. Although a great piece of software, it's still a rather large application and won't do many of the tasks our desktop applications have been designed to do. Here's another valuable must-have resource. It's called Notepad. Great, simple and fast route to making code edits and changes. You can forget Microsoft's Notepad. This is far superior, it has far more functionality, it's written in C++, which ensures a higher execution speed and smaller program size. That covers the applications, but what else is included with DesignIT? You've also got access to tutorial videos where needed. You've got tutorials with screenshots and animated instructions. You've also got a help desk and support desk along with Skype contact and additional software resources for image creation and editing. DesignIT really is a great image creation and editing resource. Doesn't matter at what level of technical skills you have achieved. To start creating profit-pulling, attention-grabbing, lead-sucking designs for web pages, social media, blogs and offline printing, please click the Buy Now button below.